Thank you for tuning in into my channel where you find all about mixed media, art journal, collage, assemblage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Bea Grob and I'm glad you are here. Hey all, welcome back. I guess it is Sunday again, so let's journal 15 minutes. I have already prepared some stuff. As you can see, I have my glue stick, I do have a face and I do have flowers, and I did copy one of those really vintagey sewing patterns. That's what I plan to use, and it's going to be mostly collage with a little bit painting in, if I can make it in 15 minutes. So first I'm going to start with cutting her out. Oh, and putting in the timer. So that's wrong. Here we go. Okay. That are magazine pages. Whatever you have on hand, look for a nice face that fits on your page, and look for a face that doesn't have too much hair in the face. That's what I wanted to say, sorry. And I'm going to shorten her neck a little bit just because I need room. And I basically just want the outline of her face. So that's what I want. Let's see. Yeah, there should be enough room for the flowers. And again, I forgot my plastic protection sheet. Here we go. Much better. And I'm gonna use just the glue stick. Works most of the time fine, and I know I don't need this part, so I'm gonna use that right as a scrap sheet. I think I have to cut back a little bit more. That's the good thing with the glue stick, you can lift it up if it is not completely dry, just carefully. Now I do not cut that flower very accurate. Sometimes I cut off a little bit of the petals. I just don't want to make my life more complicated than necessary. And I know I also gonna paint, hopefully, at least that's my plan. A little bit in the background, that's what I wanted to say, sorry. Sometimes you have to think about which petal belongs to which flower. Now I'm gonna in real quick with some turquoise in some areas. It is a very glossy paper, which means the paint doesn't stick so much to the paper, so if there is a boo-boo you just can wipe it off with a wet towel. So that's my 15 minutes for this page. I was hoping to adding some quotes, but I'm already 2 minutes over, so I'm gonna stop here. But you can work on those pages as long as you want. I just wanted to give you some ideas, and again it's the glare with the thingy. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you next week. Take care, bye.